number 13, Ralph Justin Villamico.
Wala pera.
Then we have candidate number 8, Aldrin Ivan Caduya. And we have candidate number 14, Emmanuel Guzman. We have candidate number 2, Jeremy Ibanez. We have candidate number 3, Jens Tumayon. We have candidate number 16, Russell Nakwa. We have candidate number 11, Marcolio Angelo. We have candidate number 5, Charles Kiron Gonzalez. We have candidate number 7, J. Adrian Collins. 2 more to go, but everyone is a winner. The last 2, candidate number 15, Vince Joshua Cervantes. And the last but not the least, we have candidate number 10, Christian Mona.